yourself that you are talented. Go study. Oh, that's what people are doing. But I don't want to study music. I have nothing to prove. Have I? I don't know. Do I have something to prove? I'm just a unicorn. Hello world. How you doing? I'm doing alright. Today I'm looking outside my window and it's nice weather. Yeah. Am I gonna go out? Probably no. I can see everything from here. I have some leaves, I have some clouds, I have some blue skies. And I can hear people just doing dishes, something. So that's also kind of social contact. And I have myself. Actually, it's really good. It's soothing. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Who is afraid to be crazy? I am afraid to be crazy. I will shell. I could be crazy. Can I do more quick? This. And this. Kinda. Okay. So what's gonna happen now? I mean, it's not my fault that I don't do much. If I would be able to just be a bird for like 2 minutes, I could just go around. Would make it easy, and I would catch some sun, stop being white like this, and get some vitamin D. Winter's coming, so be good. But I choose stay inside because I don't have wings. Maybe it's overrated anyway. I don't know. Okay. you're wondering why I am a unicorn today, it's because I put some oil on my hair. It's really good. Best way to take care of your hair. Now, some piece of information for you. The best way to take care of your hair. Nothing fancy, to be honest. I mean, it is very fancy. It's the fanciest stuff, but not in the same, with the same, how do you say, like, measurement standards. Yes, so you need a good shampoo, but not one that smells too much, not much with much aroma. The most natural, the better. The least they're trying to tell you it's a good product, probably good product. I don't know. I just don't like people that just try to, they do too much. Like, what are you hiding? I don't know. So simple, good shampoo that doesn't do too much to your hair. It's like everything that is gonna be doing like the work is something else. Shampoo is like a reset, but the care comes from oiling your hair before you shampoo them. Best is to oil them the night before to sleep with it, something like this, because they have to be tight and warm, and so the oil goes in. Brush them after oiling them, putting it on your scalp, because the scalp also sometimes is not very healthy and needs some good oils. You can just look up some good oils and what they do, and do a mixture that you just keep in a bottle, and then just, I have like one with a plier, and you can put them right on the scalp. It's really good. Nice. Feel it, feel your head. Be gentle with it. Know your hair. I think people don't know their hair. They're just like angry at it. You're like, why are you not working today? Don't. Just be nice to your hair. If it's not feeling good one day, then it's okay. You can just try a new hairstyle out. Maybe a hat. Maybe something else. Maybe you have to get creative. Maybe you have to take some kind of like, yes, foulard, bandanas, I don't know, do stuff. Yeah. Be fresh. Or let yourself be fresh if you want to. Give yourself the opportunity. Yes. And this is what the care looks like. So you just put oil on your hair, because shampoo dries them out. So you need to put some oil. And just the world in general dries. I mean, it just, oil is good. It's really good. It's nice. Sometimes you can wash your hair with something else, with argile, with Tonerde in German, argile in français. I don't know the word in English, so I just say argile. Maybe that's the word. It's mud, basically. Healthy mud. It's mud with minerals. But also a product that takes all the moisture out of your hair, so better to do it after a good oil bath. And then after washing your hair with shampoo, you can choose to put some pure aloe vera, just some gel if you want to. It will leave like a cast, like a shell around your hair. When it dries, you can just do like this, so it softens again. I believe it protects you. It's like, protection shell layer. Okay, enough about my hair. I don't know why I'm a unicorn. I wish you could see that. It's nice. Or maybe I take a video of it and put it in the background. Okay. I think that will be it for today. Have a nice day.